students. So here in the previous class we have discussed the first method of find the mean, that is direct method. So in this class we will discuss the second method, that is assume mean method, by which we will find the mean of a given question. Yes, now in the previous class we did the first one, so in this class we will do the second one. So the table will be given. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages 100 to 120, 120 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, then 180 to 200, 180 to 200. Then number of workers, Fy. What is given? Fy equal to 12, 14, 8, 12, 14, 8, then 6, 10, 6, 10. Okay. So up to here the table will be given in the question paper. So we have to find out the mean of the given data. So same as the previous one, after Fy we have to find out the Xi. Xi means the class mark. We can solve this question by direct method, or by assuming, or by step division. In both the three methods the answer is same, but what do you consider that if the class mark is more and the frequencies are more, then if possible then don't use the method of direct method, because process is easy one, but then we will get the large numbers of calculations. So 110 plus 120, 220 by 2, 110. This will be how much? 130. This will be 150. This will be 170, and this will be 190. Yes. So now after this one, question this one. Okay, now see, here the method is assume mean method. The method is assume mean method. Assume mean method. So we have to consider A equal to assume mean. A equal to, suppose there are 5 class marks. So we can consider anyone as A, because the next one is Di, and Di equal to the formula is Xi minus A. Xi minus A. So we have to consider anyone out of these 5, anyone as A. We can consider this one as A, this one as A, this one also, this one also, this one also. But if possible, consider the middle one. There are 5 numbers, so if possible, consider this one as equal to A. So A equal to 150. Got it? Now Xi minus A, 110 minus 150 equal to minus 40. 130 minus 150 minus 20. 0, 20, then 40. Next one is Fi Di. Fi Di. Product. This one, their product is minus 480. Their product equal to minus 280. Their product 0. Their product 120. And their product 400. Okay, then now see, after this one we have to add them. Summation of Fi Di, and here summation of Fi. So what is sum of Fi? This one 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. Fi will 50. Now here see, this is how much? Minus 760, and this one 520. This one 240 minus 240 is the Fi Di. So the formula is mean equal to x bar equal to a plus d bar. Mean equal to a plus d bar. So what is a? A is 150. Now d bar formula is summation of fi di summation of fi. D bar equal to summation of fi di by summation of fi. So what is 150? Same, plus summation fi di minus 240 by this one summation 50. This one equal to 50. So 150 minus 0 cancel. This one 5.8. So 145.2. This is the mean of the given question. Got it? So this is known as assume mean method. Now next one we will do, that is what, a table is given whose mean is given 18. We have to find the missing frequency, that is f. So first write down the table. First one daily वाला so CI. First one CI डायरेक्ट CI. Next one is FY. What is CI given? CI equal to 11, 13. Next one 13, 15. Next one 15, 17. 17, 19. Last one is 25. 19, 21, 21, 23. 23, 25. Yes. F 7, 6, 9, 13. 7, 6, 9, 13. Then F 5, 4. F 5, 4. Find xi. 24 by 2, 12. 28 by 2, 14. This one 16, this one 18, this one 20, this one 22, this one 24. Yes. Now we'll solve this one by diagram. Fi xi. Their product 84. Their product also 84 years. Their product 4, 9, 10, 44, 144. Their product 180 plus 54, 234. And then this one 20F. This one 110. This one 96. Yes, correct? 84, 84, 4, 9, 10, 144. The summation of Fi and summation of Fix. 7 plus 6, 13. Okay, 7 plus 6, 9, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 27, 34, 34, 43, 4, 44 plus F. And there are some 6, 10, 14, 22, 2, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 21, 29, 37, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Something wrong or what? 84, 144, 234, then 110, 96, 10, 22, 30, 16, 20, 30, 35, 3, 70, plus 20. Therefore, mean equal how much? Mean equal given 18. Now, according to question, mean equal to 18. So, mean formula summation fi xi by summation of fi equal to 18. So, summation fi xi 752 plus 20f by summation fi 44 plus f equal to 18. Then do the cancellation, cross multiply. 752 plus 20f equal to 44, 18. How much? 2, 32, 35, 35, 42, 2, 9, 20. Plus 792 implies minus 2f equal 40. So f equal to 20. This one. So this is the solution of this question. How to find the f? You can solve this one by using the assuming or direct method also, or by step division. Yes. Thank you.